Hello and welcome to this new episode of Vintage Crochet Magazine Browse Through. In this video, I'm going to show you an Annie's Crochet newsletter magazine issued May through June 1991, number 51. And begin with the cover. I can see there's a filet crochet bedspread. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get a close-up. It's very pretty. Filet crochet. And this is the first pattern. Let's go look, see what other nice patterns they're sharing with us in this magazine. Heart Home Kitchen Set. Could also be for an office. A nice gift. Could be a nice gift to make. Let's browse through what else. They have this antique wavy pot holder. Get a close-up. Now this is Fun in the Sun Beach Accessories. What is it? Some bag to carry your stuff, yes. Okay. Let's see what else they have. The chart for the filet crochet or whatever. See, they have sand and shells sweater. A close-up. Skip. Now let's see what else they have. Infant's beret and rattle. Close-up. The rattle. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, here is the one in the cover. It has the graph. And here is a close-up. In case you get inspired to make one. Okay. It's called Rose Trellis Bedspread. If you want to look out for the pattern, the designer is Dot Drake. Let me see who it is. Designer Dot Drake. What else? The Barbie wedding dress. Fashion doll bride. I would like to do this. I got me a Barbie last week, a Barbie doll, so I can make her dresses for my tutorials. And this looks something interesting that I would like to do a tutorial. So it's called the designer Florence Jansen. Fashion doll bride is called the pattern. If you want to look it up online or buy the magazine, I don't know where you can find it. Maybe eBay. I don't sell magazines. These are my collection of magazines that I'm gonna keep forever till the end of time. This lace mitts, designed by Michelle Linton. Let's look it up. A close-up. This looks easy to do. Okay, let's go see what else. Rose Garden pillow. Pretty. It doesn't say what size. It says Clark's size 20 cotton by Coats and Clark, 200 yards. Sewing needle number 10 steel hook. Okay. The finished pillow is 13.5 inches square. In case you want to make it. In case you can find maybe the public library or buy it on eBay or Etsy. Let's see what else is in this other patterns. The clown, two-faced clown pillow, happy and sad. Good idea. It was designed by Lou McChesney. Yeah. Let's see what else they have. Oh, look at this. Clowning around. Funny Money Clown Bank. Oh, it's a piggy bank. A close-up of the face, the body. In case you get inspired, make it. And here's all of the designs found in the magazine. Small photos. Which one will be your favorite? For me, I would like to do that tutorial on the dress. This will be my pick on this issue. I like to pick always a pattern to make me a tutorial, and this one will be my pick. Which one will be yours? I'm curious. And well, that is it for this episode. If you have any questions, you can leave it in comments, and see you in my next video.